Hey, are you worried to solve math questions? Oh, you are feeling difficulty to solve the math questions. But now it's time to take out of all it. I am here for you to solve the questions assignment for you. Why you should select me for the assignment? Because I am MPhil qualified teacher and I have been teaching in the different institutes at college level, at advanced college level and the pre-primary and the secondary stages. Only I teach that is mathematics. Now, what benefit you will get? You will get that you will see the step-by-step solution of each question. You will get all the marks. And what will you get extra? You will get the graphical representation, you will get mathematical vocabulary, you will get the quick response from me. I will be available at upreplay.com. Now, another extra cheese that is green mathematics for you. Formulae, special formulae charts for you. Now, the time is over. I am here that you can select me available at any time. I am 24 hours available to you. Now, select me. I am Sheeraz Tawfiq. I am qualified. You can also take my YouTube channel Sheeraz Academy. Thank you. Love from you.